About nigga thought, bitch. Let's go, bitch. So quick. Yo, Tuffy told. Oh shit. Turn my music off. Yo. Alright. Get it going in a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. I'm already in my trades for the night too. Well, I've been in these trades all day, but I added some more contracts on my Nas. It ain't got no more. Tell me where to go. She gonna get a little soul and go away. And just so y'all can see my execution, this is my GBP. I got two orders in here right now. Entry 1, entry 2. My GBP. Nas, I got a couple entries. Got an entry up here. Some entries down here. All right. You mark out our New York sessions low and our New York session high. This is, yeah. I don't see, like, if anything, I'll see Nas taking out these lows here, then seeing it retrace higher. But if it was to do a deeper, I don't see it doing a deeper retracement like that. But if it if it does do a deeper retracement or it feels like it wants to, then I don't expect it to get under here. My 23,687. But I expect it just to go. If anything, I would have just expected to take out these little lows right here. Baby, you're the baddest. Baby, you're the baddest, girl. You could have even caught this little trade running your field, bro. Right between your 70, completion at the 0. Open the conscious. Anyway. It bounced at the 70. TP 150. TP 225. It didn't get quite to the 0, but once you see this bears engulfing, you could have got out of that still with profit. And look, it happens. Look, just run your field. That's all you got to do. And where does it go again? Right between your 6-1, your 88. Boom. It buys again. Your TP1, your 50%. TP2, 25%. Your TP3 will be up at the 0%. It didn't get quite to 0%. Once you see a bears engulfing, you're out of that with profit. You just run your field. Yeah, I use standard deviation. I kind of use my fib a little bit different than other people, but like I run my fib like I can run my fib like 3 to 5 different ways. It can all just paint one big picture for me. Can I? Yeah, I could show an example of an engulfing candle. I mean, we got some here. These are all bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing candle here. Bearish engulfing candle here. Bearish engulfing candle here. Here. There. Engulfing candle here. Engulfing candle here. I'm not seeing a lot of red ones. I mean, I'm not seeing a lot of green ones. Oh, engulfing here. A green engulfing here. I don't do anything on the 1 minute. What's the word, you? What's the P&L for today? Well, we still going. I'm still in my trades for the day, so nothing today. I'm still in my trades for the day. They haven't hit my stop loss and they haven't hit TP yet. I'm on my live account. I plan on starting the combine soon, but I don't know if you were here right before. Well, you were here right before I went on vacation. I decided to start a live account instead of getting back into a combine because I like Lily's about to go out of town, and I'm like, you know what? Like, I'm gonna start a live account and trade my real money too. So I started a live account and I started out with $50. Got my account up to $500. Literally penny lots and everything off. Like, it's been about like 2 to 3 weeks. So far so good. I'm trying to scale it. Just keep scaling my account. Then I plan on getting back into a combine soon, which I know I can do it. I mean, I'm fucking doing it with my real money. Yeah, I'm in a Nas trade. I'm in a long just because I mess with you. I be giving too many signals, man. But yeah, always take the trade that you see though. Just because you might see me being a long or a short doesn't mean you need to do the same thing. Always do what you see in the market. Yep. I'm also swing trading right now, so always keep that in mind because especially when you're on the combine, you got to pay more attention to your session. So like, you know what I'm saying? So like, since I'm swing trading, I don't have to pay that much attention to my session. But if you're really in the combine, you have to pay more attention to your session because that move, like I can be longing, but my stop loss can also be down here. So I'm not worried about anything that's going on. You know, but you in the combine, that's a lot of money you're risking. And you have to just be a little bit more precise. So in your age assessment or something, you might be expected to go lower, even though I might be long. So always pay attention to that too. Like, always pay attention to what's going on now because price could short on you, and you might be in this long and get wiped out while I'm still in this long chilling. Yeah, so I always say pay attention to that too. Short term long, I would be in the short term short, but I wouldn't even be in the I wouldn't even be in the short. But yeah, if anything, I would be in the short term. I would be in the short term short and a long term long. SDTV. I don't know what that is. Is that a ticker? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I do standard deviation. But like I said, my fib is a lot like different than a lot of people. A lot of people got a lot of basic fib. Like my fib isn't basic. Like I got standard deviation levels, liquidity levels, everything. So this is like, and I always tell you, like you can take it and back test it yourself, like do the work yourself. But yeah, and I know a lot of people ask me like how do I catch like certain reversals or know where to buy or like I'll have limit orders in and everything and be like, damn, like how do you all off of fib levels? Like I always say what the zones I use. So watch this. I bet you this zone is gonna be between my 6-1 and my 88 zone for a buy. And what I do? Close to my 6-1. It's right next to my low value node, right next to my quarter. That's a long. Then I do the same thing, order block to order block. A lot of times what they like to do is they like to, if we're doing a continuation, they like to come between your 37 and 50% zone. So if you literally just run your fib from just order block to order block, then you will see that when they do a continuation, what do we run? Price came back between my 37 and 50 range. And what do we do? We long. But yeah, when you look at your zones, you just match it up. Match it up with an order block, FVG. Yeah, I need to make a fib video, but yeah. And I love to do it too. I like to run my fib as well on my AMD, like accumulation. So if we like, I can tell how long I can literally map out how long that manipulation phase is going to be before price reverses. So if we have an AMD set up and price manipulation lower, I can run my fib from my low to my high in there. Then I can literally tell, okay, price is gonna go to my 200, my 113, 200, or 261% on my fib, and I match it up. What do I match it up? I can match it up with order block, a FEG, a quarter, a low volume node, and I just know, okay, this is a high, like this is a high demand zone, I guess you could say. So I can put a limit buy there, or I could just wait and just chill, and I can play the manipulation phase. Then boom, I can play the reversal back down. Boom, and then I can play the continuation back up. That's why I love the fib. I can like depending on how you run it, you can run it in so many different ways, and you can catch. You can catch these legs. This is Trading View. What the same thing from here. Look, it's gonna go right between that 37 and 50 zone. Yeah, and right here is my 70. 70, my 6-1, between my 6-1 and 88. Then we can run it. And then my 37, I'll be out of next week. And I'm on a daily time frame as well. I only run my fib on a higher time frame. Well, sometimes I might run it like on a 15 minute, but I'll only run it like on a 15 minute if I'm catching a continuation. It's on a monthly too. Price gonna take off. That is just a yeah. And my cool. And this is on a monthly. And look at this. Where did price come to on a monthly? Right between my 6-1 and 88%. So you could have caught this long. Boom. You could have literally just caught this off of fib on a monthly. Boom. Shit took the fuck off. Look at that shit. Imagine catching something like that. Price came back down. Where did price come back down to? Between my 6-1, I guess you could say my 88. But for her, I would have just caught it in my order block. So once price closed out above, you could have just caught it in the order block there. And that's off a monthly. Yeah, that 50% retracement is fire. It's like once you run your fib, you literally could just map it up with an FEG order block, and then like you literally have an idea of where price is gonna head. So it's like, okay, if price gonna pull back on me, I know where to catch it. Like here, I posted it literally. I got a picture of it too. I literally posted it. I had a limit buy right here. Actually, I think it was like at 2.7. I think it was like at 727 or something. And it worked. Price don't come right between the same. It's the same little zone every single time. Boom. Right between my 37 and my 50%. And what else do we have right here? You got a you got a fair value gap right here. You literally just match it up. Match up your levels with an FEG or order block. So I know, okay, boom. I can catch a buy here. You can look at price. And all you have to do, if you're more nervous, you can just go down to a lower time frame and see how price reacted. Boom. Big green candle buy up. Boom. Once you see this rejection and this big candle up, you should already be in there. And I caught that little long yesterday from here to up here. It might be in my order still. Be I gonna love you. Was this it right here? Oh, that's not it. Which one is it? Be I don't let you go. Here, 869. It's one of these. Baby, I cannot love you. Anywho, 2.7 or 6.7? What you talking about? The fib level? 2.7 or 6.7? You might have heard 3.7. 37 and 50. I appreciate the roses too, Dylan. I appreciate you. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. Oh, nice. Yeah, I need to learn quarters theory too. Hold on, my sister calling me. Hold on. the quarter. Like, bro. Ah. It is, yes, you're mine, baby. Yes, you're fine. Even if y'all just learn quarters theory, bro, you will literally be golden. Sang for me, she got that shit. Sang for me, she know about that shit. Bang for me. I might put it in a little, like a little session trade. Like I got my swing trade going, but I might do like a little paper trade on the swing. Mark this liquidity out. Oh, look at that. You can mark out your daily order block. We came and retest our order block. Here. Yeah, bro. Nas is gone, bro. Nas is going long. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Asia session. Yeah. It be like that. That's why you either swing trade it or you just shit. Don't trade it or shit. I'll still trade it. I'll trade it on my combine. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. So yeah, hopefully I make shit. Can't do it personally. Yeah, I feel you. I know a lot of people really can't. Yeah, it'd be like that. Yeah, the age of sessions usually your accumulation, so it'd be like that. You can catch some nice setups though too. You catch it at the bottom of that range and just ride it back out, ride it back up to the top. You can catch a trade every session. Yep. Yeah, I be longing. I mean, not longing. I've been swing trading on my live account, so it's really nice just being able to just hold my trade out because I don't gotta worry about anything. Like I set my stop loss, then I just let it play. Like I could be in a play for a week. I could be in a play for like 2 days, 3 days, 4 hours, however long until it hit my TP or until I see something I don't like. Be too. I don't even gotta wait for the setups. Like I still take the setups like I take my setups kind of like if I'm in a combine. But I like the swing trading too because I'm able to catch a full leg. Like I can catch a full move. I don't have to just catch pieces of the move. Cause even then, like you can swing trade a whole move, and I can still like if I wanted to, I can still session trade and catch little trades in between my big swing trade. I don't do it, but shit, I low key could do it. But I like catching them turkey legs though, bro. I like catching them big moves. I like the way this look right here though. GBP. Go. Go, 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 GBP, go. Go, go, go. I didn't even look at Go, bro. I need to look at Gold today too. But Gold, man. Gold been a little annoying. That's what I'm saying, bro. You can catch a trade. That's what I'm telling people. Like, if you just learn quarters theory, you can have quarters theory, the 200 EMA, and you can add low volume those too. Just by those three things, I can trade on a higher time frame. I could trade this shit on a month and catch a setup on a fucking month. There. Let's go to the monthly on a Nas right now. You catch that shit on a monthly, bro, and be chilling. That's what shit. The rich people. Look at this shit. You catch that shit up for 200. Look, you could have been in that shit since 2009. You have been in a long since 2009. But no, seriously though. Even if I just go up here and you just play it through your quarters, okay? You loan through one quarter, you code up above this quarter, okay? We're moving up to the next, okay? Boom, we move up above this quarter, boom, okay? We move up to the next. Okay, boom. We long up above these. Y'all won't understand. Y'all can't see the level, so y'all won't even understand it, man. Whatever. I'm not even about to keep explaining it. That's what I'm saying. Alright, time frame looks choppy. What you looking at? You looking at your 4 hour right here? I guess so. Yeah, right here for this little section here. And what did price do? Here's an AMD setup right here. It's really just an AMD setup. Equal highs, equal lows. We manipulated to the bottom. And what did price do? Distribute it back up to the top. Yeah, bro. And just like that, you could easily could have just took that trade too. Just off an AMD setup. I just started making profit on my live account. I made $450. But that's when I just started a live account too. Started out with $50. 17K. Where'd you start with 50? KOT4X connected to Trade Locker. How long did it take you? I mean, I'm still learning. I've been trading. I just started 7 months now. I've been trading for 7 months. MQ. Yeah. You want to get into this but don't know how? Shit, you just start. Literally, you started now. Like, you already getting into it just by watching lives and videos. You've already started. I appreciate you. Thank you. I'm trying my best. I just thank God every day. Like, it was shit. It's a lot easier for me now to like look at a chart, digest a chart, mark out a chart. Like, I'm a lot quicker in a like I'm able to like, you know what I'm saying? I'm able to play out plays and I'm able to just catch reversals and other types of shit. But like shit, I don't really study as much as that much. I really just be trading now. But studying for 16, like literally, I'm on a chart or studying 16 hours a day. So I'm at work, working at 9 to 5. I'm watching my video at my desk, like I'm taking notes on the sticky notes, like watching TT trades, watching I'm watching so many videos. Like before I go to work, I was looking at charts. When I get off of work, I'm looking at charts. I kind of just been chilling a little bit since I started my live account, but yeah, bro. Mm-mm-mm. Sometimes I might get. It might be like it might be a time where I have to get back to that, but right now I'm really chilling. Like ain't nothing else I really need right now. What's the word, Isaiah? Do I know when to buy or not? I do. I mean, shit, to the best of my ability, yeah. I'm not 100%, but to the best of my shit, I've been kicking Nas ass a little bit. I mean, shit, you could think of see, you could look up how hard it is to turn $50 into 450 off of penny lots, penny lots and nickels off Nas Mini. I got some trades going now, but I'm up 460. I'm up 500, but I'm up 460 now because I got some trades going. Damn, you typed a question mark quick as shit. Yeah, I'm gonna be holding this trade. I had some shit marked out earlier. I I talked about low volume nodes, but I probably won't go through it today for real. But when you see these little gray things, these are my low volume nodes. So low volume nodes is literally like I don't know if some of y'all know, like you can literally trade off a volume profile, and you can use a volume profile like a supply and demand zone. Just look at my low volume nodes and just look how price react to them. This is on a daily time frame as well. The red, when you see my red, those are my quarters. So yeah, usually when I go to this chart, it's just more of my like technical chart. I got a lot more things drawn out, and these are all like on monthly. Like these are monthly things, so they hold a lot of volume. And I literally compare a low volume node up with a quarter, and look at this low volume node. We respected a low value node and my quarter. What did we do? Long. Okay. What happened here? We rejected off a low value node and a quarter. What did we do? We sold down. What did we do here? Okay. Respected one of my quarters and my low value node, and what did we do? We loaned. Why don't you quit your 9 to 5 and lock in on day trading? I'm already locked in. I don't need to quit my job. And I mean, I haven't made that much money yet. I haven't made enough money to where I can comfortably quit my 9 to 5. Even if I was a millionaire today, I probably would still go to work tomorrow. Shit, we're gonna have to see about that, but shit, maybe. Shit, maybe. Use low value nodes too. On me, Rick, then shit. Then Rick know what's up with low value node and field. Like it does not take a lot. Like but a lot of people think it's like when they look at like me trade, they like, damn, like that seemed like a lot. I just know I just use it all together. Low value node, quarter, my fib levels, like all of that is extra confluence with me. I use it all together. Like you don't once you understand like you can use all of your things together and not separately. Do you follow liquidity? Yeah, I usually follow liquidity. Like if I'm more trading, like day trading, I own my combine. With my swing trading, I really focus on low volume node, fib, quarter, whatever, whatever. I got my playlist. I got my YouTube playlist in my Discord too, with all my videos like I watched, low volume nodes and everything in there. But you can just look up low volume node. But the people that I learn from is in my Discord. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, I'm on a live account. The market isn't closed right now. I appreciate it. Right on, Daz and Cody. Yeah. What's up, Aleem? Aleem, we need to get in. We got some setups going on. We got them. Yeah. Now I get you right. What you need? Whatever you need. Whatever you need. I made 450. You have to pick the right swing points. Yeah, that's why I use my higher time frame. But yep. Once you know how to run your fib though, you golden. Like I can't like I used to not like the fib. I used to be like, man, I'm not learning no fib. But once when I learned my fib, I was like, ooh, 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 ooh. I like that. When I learned that fib, it was over. Gunning Benjamins, crushing on your body, gonna reminisce. Whatever you want. No, it's not an indicator. I guess you could say it's a tool. It's more like a tool. Your fib. So when I run like swing low to a swing high, my Fibonacci. Yeah, I guess Fibonacci bands, whatever. I'll look at that too. Trading View. Bullish engulfing on GBP on your 15-minute time frame. Oh, I hate my fib on here. I hate the fib on Trade Locker. That shit butt. That fib butt. You can still take this trade. You got the continuation higher. Look, boom. And what did we say? Between your 6-1 and 88. What did price do? Price came back down into the zone. And what did it do? It loaned from the zone. These are futures. Popo, I appreciate you. I appreciate your follow. Rudy, that's what I say. Run your field levels, learn your field, and then you'll be able to tell how far. You'll be able to get a better estimate on how far they're gonna run up on liquidity before the sales start. But it also depends on if you swing trading or if you're session trading or just day trading, swing trading or just day trading. How do you get your chart blank without the aftermarket stuff? What? Can you rephrase that question? Do you mind rephrasing that? Using a Haki-Nashi candlestick. Me, good stuff. Rudy, I appreciate your follow too. But yeah, but if you were more day trading, then you would probably be looking more for like liquidity sweeps and things like that. But if you're more higher time frame swing trading, I'm not necessarily looking for liquidity sweeps. I'm more looking at fib levels and running off my fib levels quarter and low volume nose. I'm not, because you're not really going to see liquidity sweeps like that. I like swing trading. I like swing trading a lot more. Yeah. I appreciate your likes too, Secret. I still use field with the initial balance. Finish your day still. What's it saying? Yeah. 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 And like any videos that I do like, I usually post it in my. Well, I just added. I mean, it's my personal like study playlist that I have. So everything that I know is like everything that I study and know is in that playlist. Like everything that I do is literally in that playlist. Now you can watch that whole video and understand how I fucking trade and be like, damn, I understand it. I understand the calmness. What's the saying called? The calmness in the madness. The green in the red. What's it called? I can understand the calmness in the madness. What is that saying called? What is that phrase? For Nas, swing trade long. Uh, Option trading and day trading is different. Yeah. Oh, I got you too. Yeah, option trading and day trading is supposed to definitely different. I plan on getting into some option trading too. Off the, I'm gonna be trading the same way, but literally just it's just gonna be different. Well, honestly, like knowing how I'm gonna do it, I'm not gonna change my strategy up or anything when I Oh, sorry, that's not nice. When I go to option trading, I'm not gonna change anything. It's different from the basic trading view chart. Really? What's different? I mean, I changed my colors and stuff like that on my trading view chart. I don't know what's different. I didn't even look at gold. Of course, this shit want to sell off now, bruh. I don't even think I'm gonna touch this shit, cause this shit, Of course they want to sell off now. Oh, this shit got the loan. Hey, Secrets, you in here? Gold probably about the loan, bro. Look where we at, and look what we got too right here. Getting it. Again, it's let's see if he in here. Oh, this shit probably about the long, bro. Shake side, take it like some XCC. I need to drop down a little bit because gold just been annoying this week because usually when Nas longs go shorts, and when Nas was longing, gold was still hanging up her. Now it wants to short down, but now that it's shorting down, that shit look like it's going long in a little bit. If they want to do a deep retracement, they'll come back down. And they can do a deep retracement. I don't think they're going to pull that deep, though. Right at this order block. Oh, hell yeah. It come right here at this 303. Hold on, let me take a picture of this. Hold on, bro. And that's probably when Nas might short. Oh, wow. I went right to the 200. This is a daily. Hold on, you can't even see that. Let me go back and take another picture of that. Picture was horrible. Hold on. Let me get a better picture and let me draw this out. Cause I might play this. I ain't gonna fake it. Oh, I'm gonna play this when it goes down. Keep on dropping. I'm gonna turn this shit off. No thank you. This isn't gold versus US dollar, it's just gold. You looking for a seller, buy? I'm not looking for anything right now on gold. I'm gonna be looking for a buy though. I'm gonna be looking for a buy when it gets to my zone. All right, let me get a better picture. And anything under this 50, you buy. Oh, this shit going long, bro. But if I'm expecting gold to long, I we're between my 50 and 37 zone. We bounced at the 50 before, boom, came back down. We're still at the 50 in this FVG right here. And the question is, it's like, okay, are we gonna do a deeper pullback? Because honestly, what I could do, I could enter in small, boom. I can enter in small here, then have limit buys at the 70 and the 88, just in case they want to do a deeper retracement. Hold on. I'm gonna come back to that. I think I see my goal set up that I'm gonna be looking for. Nah, it's Longan too. Look at this shit. Let's fucking go. Get the fuck up out of there, GBP. Oh, we close. I just need all my trades to turn green. It's this freaking entry I got up here. My small entry up here. Oh yeah, even if you just caught this shit. 23,864. It's kind of conservation. And look, your field level matches exactly where your order blocks and FEGs and shit be. I use a combination. ICT, volume profile, order flow. Quarters theory. I'm gonna go to the restroom right quick. I'll be right back. Right back, buddy. Oh, come on, Nas. Keep on longing for me, baby. Keep on longing for me, baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh my God! Come on now, Nas. There we go. Prophet finally turned green now. Ooh, come on now, baby, give it to me. But I'm about to ride that shit out. Pause. Buzz. Buzz, brethren. Oh, but fuck it. Don't even know. Come on, GBP. Are we looking good? I'm trading Nasdaq and GBP USD. Good stuff, Kenny. What's the word, Kenny? Yeah, we looking good. Let's fucking go, bro. Come on. What's the word, Jazz? But this shit feel good. What's the word, VWAP? Yeah, for real. I'm echoing. Really? Hold on. Am I still echoing? Really? What the fuck? Hello? Hello? Bro, I just did an echo check. I didn't hear an echo. Hold on. Bro, you playing, right? Hold on. Now I'm like, this is Nasdaq. I've been swinging this long for Nas. Bro, am I really? Bro, does anybody else hear me echoing? Hold on, bro. Cause what? No. Yeah, I just did an echo check and it's not echoing on my end as well. Yeah, nobody else hear echo. But Sid, I appreciate your follow. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, bro. Dang. Alright. Just got out of work. And hopefully it wasn't too bad. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. You let me beat it up. You let me practice. I just marked up gold too. I see it set up on gold. I'm waiting on. Shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend. Shut the fuck up. Part of me like only thing though. Usually when the Nasdaq long, the gold would sell off. So if the gold gonna sell off again, it could possibly just lunk up here and continue back lower. But if I was just swing trading this, I would just set in a small order here, where we are now. Then I would set an order at my 70% and my 88%. Stop loss below the 113. So my stop loss will also be below this quarter here. Boom. Stop loss, boom. I have an entry here. 1, 2, 3. If they want to pull it back. It was cool. Yeah. It was ready to quit cool. I'm gonna go back to Nas. Where are my words going, bro? About to take out them New York highs. Come up to this order block first. This order block is unmitigated. Yeah, come up here in this order block. This order block is mitigated already. This order block mitigated. Yeah. Come back up there. I trade NASDAQ, gold, a little Bitcoin, GBP, USD. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, that's basically it. I use ICT, but I don't just use ICT. Yeah, this shit about the Long John Silver. I'm gonna try to swing this to 25. Swing this NASDAQ to 25K. I'll trade GBP JPY before too. Don't tell me that shit did take off. I was in a call on this a while ago. I don't even remember where I was on here, but that shit did long. Yeah, that shit took off. Okay, you cooling around. I think I tried to get in that long hair. I think when that news came out about the trade deal, they did an AMD manipulation, distribution back down, immediate reversal. That's also what happens if you got an AMD set up. After it distributes, it's usually an immediate reversal. Not even enough for the water. Mm-mm. Brown sugar, brown fun. Alright, we really just chilling now. We done. Now we just let our trades play out. Mm-hmm. This is manipulation lore. Got equal highs and lows right here. Oh yeah, and this shit at the 70% zone. That GBP about to long. Yeah, that GBP about to take off. Mm-mm-mm-mm. What are my thoughts about that? I feel like you just made that up. No. No, yeah. And when you look at it on that 4 hour, we're still back at that 37. daily, 37. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Yeah. Field search your burn. Yeah. Dang. I love the field. Oh, witness. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. For the day, nothing. I'm still in my swing trades. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. But I just started a live account too. But I'm up on my live account. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. I see you and me. 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 I need Nas to come on. So far, so good. But yeah, we just gonna let these trades just. We just gonna let these trades sit until they hit TP, or if I see something I don't like. But the setups that we're in, I'm confident in the setups that we're in though. Mm-mm. Yeah, yeah. I don't know. I don't got no other trades going. I don't know what else, what other market I really want to look at. I don't plan on taking any more trades for real. Yeah, I'm not trading no freaking Bitcoin, bruh. I'm never trading that fucking Bitcoin again, bro. Bitcoin just a lot of manipulation. I don't like how big the spread is. Like it's every time I trade Bitcoin, I lose money. Let's just say that. That shit be that shit be fucking with me, bro. Like it'll come all the way down, wake me out, and run all the way up. Like be annoying, bro. I was in a loan. I don't know. I was in a loan not too long ago. Then it came down and wicked me out. Dang, where was I at? Here, right here. I got in this loan like right here, somewhere right here, and it came down. I had my stop loss. I think I had my stop loss right. I had to have my stop loss right here because it came down and weaked me out. Horrible stop loss though. Honestly, I can't even be mad at that. That's a horrible stop loss. Works 0% of the time. Yeah. For real. Bitcoin just be playing, man. They do all that manipulation before it wanna run. Then it's like when you're on that live account, it's like I don't want to risk my whole account on that big old spread on it. Yeah, incident where I got whipped out. Yeah, yeah. Cause I think I got in after this 3 candle formation here. I was in that trade, like I think I was like after here, and I was trying to take it back. I think I was taking it to the 120. Then I had my stop loss. I had to have my stop loss probably under believe this. I don't remember where it was. I had to believe under this low or somewhere down here. But I know I got wicked out of it before it ran back up. And that was gonna be like $500 on that month. Like man, so it was gonna be such a good trade. I was confident in that trade too. Mm-mm-mm. Right on, bro. I appreciate you. I appreciate the follow though. No, I appreciate it. I'm gonna be off live in a little bit myself. I don't got nothing else. I don't got no other setups or anything else I'm really looking at unless y'all want to see something.
Y'all making faces. You got some work to do. Okay. You ever seen the video of Cassidy making the beats? Yeah. Oh, hold on. Let me play y'all some music. Let me play you some of my shit. Tell me what you think. Say, look, that beat wasn't it though. Why not though? I don't get it. That was just like a really bad sample. What? It sound like 2008. Cause it's from 2008. Yeah, but like not the good part. It sound like anxiety. That shit sound like. Niggas said my shit sound like anxiety. Niggas getting jokes like a real difficult video game. Like I'm trying to read it like a. Helios is K2. That shit sound like it's just running through some. Don't know if I call her. Don't know if I text her. Said something went green, so I hope you get this message. Wish you knew me.
And the winner is
Concrete. Yeah. Wait. What you mean? Oh, you don't like that? That's how niggas be in the stool. Niggas said, what you mean? No. I just walked up on it. This shit, I fuck with this shit. Nah, this shit hard.
Alright, shit. Look, I'm about to get off. Look, I'm already chilled out now. Ain't nothing else I got. We got these swing trades going. Nas is holding up. We in the green on Nas. GBP is holding up. We're in the green on GBP. I don't got nothing else. I don't got nothing else to go over. I don't got nothing else. I keep hitting the mic and I'm sorry, dude. But yeah, hopefully Well, not hopefully. We'll be back in another combine soon and be trading both the live account and the combine. But since I started my live account, I like the live account way more than the combine. Way more. I mean, trading real money is better than a live account. Orange me, orange me, orange me, orange me. I can never tell. I can't even tell. Alright. But alright, y'all. I think I'm done for the night. I think I'm done for the night. Tomorrow, Friday. Maybe I'll do a back testing session. Maybe I'll do like a back testing session or something like that, like Saturday or Sunday night or something. Yeah. Maybe I'll do something like that. But yeah, just stay updated. I'll most likely post an update on these trades tomorrow on my TikTok. But yeah, just stay updated. I'll probably do a back testing session like Saturday or Sunday or something like that. But yeah, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate the follows. I appreciate the likes and shit. Yeah, I catch y'all.